Okay, I put together my spring kit. Tell me what y'all think. I just repurposed one of these Booyah Frog things. Alright. I do have another, if I can have an inline spinner right here. It's on my rod. That one. It's down there. But this is the rest of it for rivers. Got the Rapala jointed shad. I'm sure a lot of you like that one. I don't even know where I got this. It doesn't have a brand. But I have this one, and I have like a plain like silver shad one. I was like, well, this one gives off a little bit more flash, so I threw this one in there. This one I gotta tune it because that fucking ring, that anchor ring, it's a little off center. Can't. Let me. I lost one of these today, so I had to replace it. This one also doesn't have a brand. I think I don't even remember where I got it. I just know I've caught some fish on it, so I know it works. I figured it'd be perfect for a river. And of course we got the Rapala Bumblebee, or Rebel, I mean. Rebel. This is the first time I've ever had one of these, so I was like, oh, that'll be perfect for river. So, into my river kit. Let me go ahead and put these back in there. Oh shit. The point of this is so I could literally just put it in my pocket and go like I did earlier when I take my Boopy on walks. Boopy! She's tired. She's done a lot of walking today. We got some flipping and pitching jigs. I gotta like trim these ones up, get them ready. I gotta cut this guard down a little bit, but I got trailers for every one of them. Got that flipping jig. I got another flipping jig. This one's a little smaller. See, just a little bit smaller. I also gotta trim it down, get it ready. And I also have a swim jig. I love swim jigs. And I got the Rage Tail from Strike King for the swim jig. I don't know what this one is. I think it's from 10,000 Fish, but that's for the black and blue one, obviously. And then I think this one is the Rage Bug, not Rage Bug, but Rage Craw, I believe. And that's for the green one. So let me know what you think about my river kit from Southwest Michigan.